Good morning. Welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I just wanted to take time out to thank everyone. Today celebrates my 100th video. I started making videos on YouTube July 1st, 2020. During the pandemic, like so many of you, I started something new, tapped into my creative side. I love to garden. I'm so thankful that I was able to share my garden with you and some of my favorite dishes. This is where I started my journey. My first video, if you have a chance, go back and check out my very first video. Truly appreciate you. My goal is to get 100 likes on this video to celebrate those days where I think it's so tough to come up with an idea to create a video. I can go back and look at this video and say, you did it. You know, I never would have thought that I would have made more than one video, and I did. That's what YouTube is about. It's just sharing your talents and your gifts, and that's how we learn from each other. That is how we grow. So thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like. What is my goal? 100 likes for this video. Be kind, stay loving, and I'll see you in my next video.